Listen to me. I'm sick and tired. I just cannot take it anymore. If right now you start to search on YouTube how to succeed on YouTube, how to have more viewers, how to blow up YouTube, you'll find this.
If you don't write a good title.
Thumbnails.
The hook. Uploading to YouTube on a regular basis.
I just came from work right now and I wanted to finish a video that I started to record before 2 days. But now I don't have any power, I don't have any energy to do whatever. Now tell me, how can you help me? A title, a thumbnail, a hook when I even cannot create the video itself. Why?
1 hour later.
After watching motivational videos.
I am the man. Oh yeah, I'm going to do it. But how? How? So, here's the deal. You have your 9-to-5 job, you have maybe second job, you have family that you need to take care for. Free time is like luxury for you, like Mission Impossible, and you're not Tom Cruise, right? You don't have any free time to create whatever. How you can make videos and to grow on YouTube. Don't worry, because the solution is right now in your pocket. Let me tell you about the 1ST method. Stop to worry how you can find free time to record your videos, because we have so busy lifestyle, and how you have energy to create the videos. Awesome, you know what I mean. Start to record your videos using your smartphone. The first step is to create a simple script for your video and to split the script into small scenes, small chunks. Just 1 or 2 or 3 sentences for one small scene. The beauty of this method is that you can record these small scenes just using 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there during your day, when you want, where you want, and when you can, of course. And easy peasy, you can record all things that you need to merge and to have your full video rock and roll on YouTube. Just like that. And if you think that because your camera can record videos in 4K, 8K and so on, you cannot make cool videos with your phone, think again. Because actually, recording videos with your phone will give you so more options for your creativity and to make more engaging videos.
Recording scenes with your smartphone in different spots will give you the option to mix various locations in the final video. Mixing up locations adds that extra spice and intrigue. With your smartphone, you can easily change the shooting plan or the camera angle during video recording and even add movements. This will make your video even more captivating.
But here's the million-dollar question. How do we transform these scenes into a wow video? Fear not, I've got the secret sauce, and it's all packed into this must-watch video.